Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you what to do if you do have your battery percentage not showing in your Samsung Galaxy A36. The first thing that you need to do is to open your settings. Here now you need to scroll down till you see the battery over here, and now once you're in the battery you need to scroll down even further. Here, as you can see, you have this tick, show battery percentage. Make sure that this is enabled. If it is, that's nice, but if it wasn't, you need to just make sure that it's enabled. If it was, turn it off and back on. If it still doesn't work, you need to now go to the Play Store over here and tap search. Here search again, and now here you need to type Battery Widget and search. Now, as you can see, we have here a lot of applications, but the one that I use the most is Battery Widget Reborn by Thomas Hubalek. Here, tap this application, tap install button. I know that maybe installing the third-party applications is wrong, that modify some things, but here I think that this is completely safe. Once done, tap open. Start automatically. Consent, add the widget, and here select battery widget, add, and now here, as you can see, you have here your battery widget. And if you need to have it bigger, just enlarge it or just do everything that you just want. Here it is. And now, apart from that, if it still doesn't work here, you need to just contact device support because your device may be broken. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.